All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Sunday prepositions. So beforehand, hand, hands, beforehand. Yeah. The action or event that is in front of another. Like the action or event, the action or event that came first. Came first, yeah. Something in advance, yeah. I will go there, I'll go there, but beforehand I need to finish this, yeah. I will go to the gym, but beforehand I need to record more lessons. How cool is that? They know what to do beforehand. Yeah, beforehand we planned out everything. I organized all my ideas beforehand, so that way everything can be done in due time. Yes, it needs to be organized beforehand. Yeah, they wanted to plan things beforehand. She should have read it beforehand, before coming here. He read it beforehand, and here he is ready to talk about the book. Makes sense. How cool is that? So I, they, it, they, she. Very good. Yeah. So he wrote it beforehand. Yeah. So I wrote all the lessons beforehand. So then all I had to do was just record. That's it. How cool is that, language explorers? Just record. Yeah. I am planning what to do beforehand, and then I'll go. So beforehand, it is smart to plan things out, prepare and know what you're going to do before actually doing it. Yes. Always plan things beforehand. Yeah. How cool is that? Very good. They know what to do beforehand to avoid mistakes. So, I know what I need to do beforehand in order to avoid making errors. Yeah. You need to get ready beforehand, so when it is your turn, you are instantly ready to go. Yes, not waiting around. Go. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So beforehand. Now, can you use it in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.